Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Wabi, grocery shopping and delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Wabi is a grocery shopping and delivery app designed to connect users directly with nearby local stores, mini-markets, and supermarkets. Instead of relying on a centralized warehouse, Wabi allows you to browse real-time inventory from participating stores in your area and place orders for fast home delivery. It's available on both iOS and Android and focuses on helping users shop conveniently for everyday essentials, snacks, beverages, and household items. The app's main feature is its store-to-home delivery system. You simply choose a nearby shop, browse items, add products to your cart, and place an order for quick delivery. Wabi also offers digital receipts, discount promotions from local retailers, and order tracking so you can monitor your delivery in real time. Many users appreciate its transparent pricing and the ability to compare multiple shops from one app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users like its easy interface, fast delivery, and access to small neighborhood stores that aren't available on bigger delivery apps. It's especially popular in cities where local bodegas and mini-markets participate actively. Users also mention that the app provides reliable delivery windows and frequent store discounts. However, there are some drawbacks. Availability depends heavily on whether local stores in your area are partnered with Wabi, meaning service can be limited in some regions. Delivery times may vary depending on store staffing and distance. Some users also report occasional inventory mismatches or delayed updates from shop owners. In addition, the app may offer fewer payment options compared to larger delivery platforms. In summary, the Wabi app may be worth using if you want quick grocery delivery from nearby local stores, real-time availability, and convenient ordering for everyday essentials. However, if Wabi isn't widely supported in your area or you prefer apps with broader inventory and more consistent delivery networks, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.